Does your day start with tingling hands? Or end with legs that feel heavy, weak, and stiff? It's not just getting older. It's your body crying out for something it's losing quietly year by year. That something is collagen. And today, you'll discover 8 powerful fruits that can help rebuild it naturally, quickly, and deliciously. Before we dive in, which fruit do you eat the most these days? And how old are you now? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one, and we'd love to know. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because what you're about to learn can literally change how your body feels this week. The real cause behind weak joints and tingling hands. Most people think joint pain and numbness are just normal signs of aging. But the real culprit, collagen loss, it weakens the cushion in your knees, the strength in your legs, and even the nerves in your hands. The good news, your body can rebuild collagen. You give it the right tools. And no, we're not talking about pricey powders or lab-made supplements. Just simple, delicious fruits, most of which you'll find right in your grocery store. Let's dive into the top collagen rebuilding fruits ranked from powerful to absolutely essential. Amla, the ultimate collagen fruit. If there's one fruit that deserves the crown, it's Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This little green powerhouse contains one of the most stable, potent forms of vitamin C in nature. But here's the magic. Amla doesn't just help you make collagen, it helps you protect the collagen you still have. It activates fibroblasts, the exact cells your body uses to rebuild collagen fibers, and it blocks enzymes that destroy them. In clinical studies, daily Amla intake reduced knee pain by 42%, increased collagen density by 24%. Confirmed by real skin biopsies. You can juice it, powder it into your smoothie, or stir it with lemon and honey for a powerful healing tonic. If your knees ache, your legs feel weak, or your hands feel numb, this could be the game changer your body's been waiting for. Have you ever tried Amla before? Let us know in the comments. Strawberries, the silent defender. Sweet, simple, and surprisingly powerful strawberries don't just add flavor. They arm your body with antioxidants and vitamin C that prevent collagen breakdown before it starts. They're like a daily shield for your joints and skin. In one study, seniors with knee pain who ate strawberries daily saw a 37% drop in inflammation. No other changes needed. For best results, eat them fresh and whole, green tops and all. Avoid jams or canned versions. They're packed with sugar that works against your joints. Blueberries, repair from the inside out. Most people know blueberries help memory. But did you know they also help your joints heal from micro tears that build up silently as you age? Thanks to powerful compounds called anthocyanins, blueberries signal your body to start repairing tissue. In just 2 weeks, older adults who ate them daily reported improved flexibility and 38% better joint movement. Try wild blueberries. They pack double the antioxidant punch. Blend into a smoothie, toss on oatmeal, or snack on a bowl daily. Ever notice your knees feel stiff after walking? These might just be your new favorite fix. Blackberries, the joint armor. Dark, delicious, and full of anthocyanins, blackberries are nature's joint protectors. They block enzymes that damage cartilage and boost blood flow, especially to your legs and feet where circulation often slows with age. In studies, seniors who ate blackberries daily had a 25% drop in joint inflammation. Pair them with yogurt, blend into smoothies, or enjoy fresh with breakfast. The best time to eat them: morning, when your body is healing from nighttime inflammation. Guava, the hidden vitamin C giant. Forget oranges. Guava has 4x more vitamin C. That means faster collagen production, better nerve function, and stronger, more flexible joints. It also contains lycopene and polyphenols, which help preserve the collagen you already have. In studies, eating guava daily reduced joint inflammation and boosted skin elasticity. Eat it raw with the skin on. That's where the healing lives. Avoid sugary guava snacks or juices. Ever tried guava before? What's your favorite way to eat it? Papaya, collagen's best friend. Most people think papaya is just for digestion, but its secret weapon, an enzyme called papain, which breaks down proteins into the exact building blocks your body uses to make collagen. Add in its high vitamin C content, and you've got a joint healing powerhouse. In clinical studies, people with knee stiffness saw pain reduction and better flexibility in just 2 weeks of eating right papaya. Add it to your morning smoothie with lime for an extra kick. And yes, you can eat the seeds in small amounts for even more anti-inflammatory benefits. Pineapple, the natural anti-inflammatory. Sweet, tropical, and incredibly healing pineapple contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme proven to fight inflammation and ease joint pain. In fact, some studies show bromelain works as well as common pain meds without the side effects. Fresh pineapple also gives you over 75 milligrams of vitamin C in 1 cup, enough to support your collagen needs all day. Avoid canned or sugared versions, they undo the benefits. Kiwi, small fruit, big impact. Don't let its size fool you. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C and actinidin, an enzyme that helps absorb proteins needed to rebuild collagen. In one trial, eating 2 kiwis a day boosted vitamin C levels by 31% and improved joint mobility in just a week. Eat the fuzzy skin for extra fiber and antioxidants. Slice it into your yogurt, blend it with papaya or guava, or enjoy it fresh after a walk. These 8 fruits aren't just tasty snacks, they're science-backed collagen healers. They help reduce inflammation, rebuild your joints, and bring strength back into your legs, knees, and hands. Start with just 2 or 3 this week. Especially Amla, pay attention to how your body feels. You might be surprised at how quickly things improve. Which of these fruits will you try first? Let us know below. We love hearing from you. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the natural remedies your body actually needs. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.